Hello everyone, and welcome to the flipped lesson on finding the area of a sector with me, Mr. Wykhorst. As you watch this video, I encourage you to pause the video and rewind it as many times as you need so that you understand the content. But before we get into any content, I want to present you with a picture of a pizza. That looks like a good pizza, doesn't it? Look at all those toppings. Looks pretty delicious. Well, I want to tell you a story about this pizza. See, one day, this pizza was made in a pizza shop. And little Susie comes in to the pizza shop and she says, I want a slice. See, that's little Susie right there. And how could you deny her? Look at those green eyes and everything. She looks so cute, right? She just wants a slice. But then grumpy old pizza man comes in and he says, what area of the pizza do you want? And little Susie says, what are you talking about? I just want a slice. And he says, I need to know the area. I need to know what sector you want. And now little Susie is confused because she has no idea what this man is even talking about, what's up with his mustache, and also why he won't just give her a slice. But we're going to help Susie out. See, what the pizza man is asking for is what percentage of the pizza does Susie want? He's asking, out of this whole pie, how much of it should she get as opposed to a slice? Because he needs to slice it himself. So, he said the word sector, and that's what I first want to present you with here. In a circle, we call every slice a sector. It's basically a slice. A sector, as you could see in the information here, is created by two radii. A sector also contains a central angle and an arc. A central angle is an angle created by the two radii. So here we have the center of the circle, and the angle created by those two radii is the central angle. The arc is the piece of the circumference that's in that sector. So what we need to do is figure out for little Susie, how do we find the area of the piece that she wants? She just wants one little piece. So, in order to do that, we do the following. First, we have to find the area of the whole circle. Then, we have to multiply that area by the percentage of the circle taken up by the sector. That's the hard part. And then we round if necessary. For the problem that I'm going to show you, I want you to leave your answer in terms of pi. But just watch what I do. So now I'm going to go to the board, so if my voice gets a little lower, you'll know why. Again, we're going to go back to step one. We have to find the area of the whole circle. Well, we know that the radius is 6 inches. So to find the area of that circle, we need to use the formula that we know, which is A equals pi r squared. And the radius is 6, so we substitute that in to find the area. So we get area equals pi times 6 squared. And when we square 6, we get 36. So the area of our whole circle, in this case our pizza pie, is 36 pi square inches. But we're going to leave our answer like that for now. We're not going to round. That's our exact answer. When we leave our answer in terms of pi, we have the exact answer. Now I want to know, what is the area of just one piece of that whole pie? Well, what we need to do is step 2. We need to multiply that area by the percentage of the circle taken up by the sector. In other words, we need to divide the whole area by the size of the piece. Since each piece is 1/8 of the whole pie, we need to divide that 36 pi. Don't confuse the number pi with the pizza pie. The pizza pie is yummy. The number pi is a number. Just remember that. Anyway, we divide 36 pi by 8. And when we do that, 36 divided by 8 is 4.5, and we keep the pi. So that is the area of one piece. Our final answer is 4.5 pi square inches. And that's the area of each piece. I encourage you to pause and rewind that so that you understand what I did. And remember, you only round if necessary. So once you get your answer in terms of pi, you can round. So, now that we've done that, now little Susie can have her pizza. Look how happy she is. If she didn't get her pizza, she would probably look something like this. A little scary, right? So make sure you know how to find the area of a sector. You don't want to look like that. So what I want you to do now is take a look at this example. I want you to try it on your own. And then I want you to go on the website and enter your answer in the Google document that's provided. First thing tomorrow, we're going to go over it. What I want you to do is find the area of the sector and leave your answer in terms of pi. The radius is 12 meters, and the angle, the central angle, is 45 degrees. There's one thing that you need to remember for this problem, and it's a little harder than the one with the pizza. You need to remember that a circle's angles always add up to 360. I'll write that so that you guys write it too. Okay? A circle's angles always add up to 360 degrees. So keep that in mind as you find the area of this sector. Thank you for watching.